Hey, hi community, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to show you another AI based operating system that can automate your outreach as well as lead generation process. So in this we have used Browseflow. Yeah, it is a powerful node for lead generation and it can be utilized with your LinkedIn profile inside n8n. So if I direct, it has a lot of functionalities you can just explore and you can utilize this to expand your business. And if I talk about the workflows that we have developed using so the workflow one is basically being used to scrape the specific profiles from a specific location and specific individuals. So you can just provide it directly filtered URL from LinkedIn, and it will scrape the individuals like it has scraped for us from the Qatar region. And these are the co-founders and CEOs of the IT companies. So you can do the same. Otherwise, if you don't want to use filtered URL, you can directly use filters over here. You can just add search from city, country and everything here. So we have not enough time to give you end-to-end demo, but we can show you something. Yeah, this one basically scrape the profiles, and then the second workflow, after scraping the second workflow, start sending connection requests to these individuals from our profile. Our profile, LinkedIn profile, is integrated with this Browseflow API. So this setup you can guide. Once you will get it, click on get start, you will get the instructions to set up your LinkedIn profile over here, and then you will get an API key that you can directly utilize here. So it is basically taking these individuals and then in workflow second we are or this bug request that we sent in last workflow has been accepted or not. And you can see we are utilizing schedule trigger. And these workflow will be running on basis of schedules. So let's suppose if workflow 1 is running today, and workflow 2 is running today, then workflow 3 will run tomorrow. Connection request has been sent, and after 1 day it can check if connection request has been accepted or not. Or you can even add an hours between these triggers. Okay, so once connection request is accepted, we are also updating the profiles, updating the sheet, and then in workflow 4 we are basically sending the messages to the individuals who have accepted our connection request. Okay, so if the value will be true, a connection request message will be sent to them. You can see if connection is accepted, and then in workflow 4 we are basically sending them a personalized message using this AI agent. We are basically providing this context, the individual name, tagline, location, summary that we are getting in workflow 1. You can see over here. So LinkedIn profile, tagline, location and summary. These are basically sending them connection request with our LinkedIn profile. So in workflow 3, once connection request has been sent, so workflow 3 is basically checking if the connection requests are accepted or not. So it is getting same sheet, and after getting same sheet, we have added the loop and added the this Browseflow node, and it is checking if the connection is this data is being scraped in workflow 1. So we are providing this data to AI agent so that it can format a personalized message, and I am also giving it my context so that it can send message on behalf of me. So this is something we have built, and there are 4 workflows that are doing their job to automate the lead generation process. And if you need these workflows, you can just DM me and I will provide you all of the 4 workflows. Okay, thank you, have a good day.